Want to change the default search engine on your Samsung Internet browser? It's important because using your favorite search engine makes searching faster and more convenient. Whether you like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another, I'll show you how simple it is to switch the default search engine on Samsung Internet. Let's get started. Open the Internet browser app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon, then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Address Bar Search. Now you'll see a list of available search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing. Tap on the one you prefer to make it the default. If your desired search engine isn't listed, you can add it manually. To do that, tap Add Search Engine or a similar label and select your desired search engine. That's it, guys. Now you know how to change the default search engine on Samsung Internet. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tips. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.